Hello and welcome back to the Microsoft Project Fundamentals course. In these videos and others to come, we will look at Module 1, Introduction to the Microsoft Project itself and its environment. And we will look at what is Microsoft Project, where they can be applied, that is people who use it or what areas they are used, and why is Microsoft Project important for us and for others who use it. And then in other videos as well, we can look at how to start the Microsoft Project application and also explain the Microsoft environment, the Windows environment, so you can get familiar with it in order to start using it properly. So in this particular video, we will try to look at the first three topics. So let's begin. So what is Microsoft Project? According to Wikipedia, it's a project management software product developed and sold by Microsoft, and it's designed to assist project manager in developing schedule, assigning resources to tasks, tracking progress, managing budget, and analyzing workload. In simple terms, if you are not a project manager, but you run a project or you build a house or you build something at your backyard, basically you are some kind of project manager. And you can use project to organize how you plan, how you want to do this. Some people write it on paper, some people do other things. But for project that may be a bit complex to manage cost and other things, you might want to use Microsoft Project. And also, this comes to what are the areas you apply Microsoft Project. So this is used by project managers in project management or even for program management or portfolio management, mainly for planning and basically focusing on things like scope, how much work, what type of work do we want to do, features and functionalities, what is the cost and what are the people we need. So the budget in terms of the money, resources in terms of the people and other materials, and time, how much time do we have or need to finish the project, and then what type of quality do we want at the end. So for example, John, who like in our case study, wants to build a storage, so he needs to also ask himself this question: how big should my store be? What do I want to use my store for, which is the scope, and what should it contain? How much will it take me to build such, and do I need people and materials, and what are these people and materials I need, and how much time will it take me, and how much time do I have for it, and what type of quality of store do I want, depending on the materials I want and the things I need the store to do. And also there's another aspect, which is the level of risk he wants to take as well. And that's why you see that in project management, you see that in team activities that are complex, people use it. Also personal planning, like for the situation of John, you can use it. And overall, it helps you in making decisions. And in large companies that uses information system, they can also use project, the Microsoft project as a tool to show certain things that helps them make decision in their company. So, and these are areas of the application that you can use it. And basically, why is it then important in these areas of application? And as you can see, we brought back again what we call sys constraints. It's still related to the first picture we showed in the previous slide. So when you're thinking of using Microsoft Project, you're going to make a plan, but you also have to keep in mind that it will help you in defining what activities or tasks you need, which is the scope. How do I plan them in terms of the time? At what time do I need it? And at what time do I have to finish it? How do I prioritize which tasks? How are they dependent on each other? And what are the risks if I don't do it that way? Who do I need to assign tasks? Can I do everything myself, or do I need extra people, the resources? And also, what materials do I need? How much will it cost me in executing those activities? And how much should I keep also for buffer and managing risk? And then for the people that I'm working on the project, how do I show them the progress? Which person needs to depend on what to make sure this person finishes the task, or this task is finished before the next one, which helps you avoid risk or manage risk. and also to get insight to make some informed decisions about the risk and quality of what you want, and then try to finish your project on time. And basically, this is why Microsoft project is important for us to use. You can use it at different levels and depending on what you want to do. And then finally, in this video, starting Microsoft application and its environment. And this is something we will start doing in the next video, because this is where the fun begins, and then we start showing you things how to do them on practically or hands-on using the project Microsoft project software or tool, which comes with a Microsoft Office in some cases, or you can buy it differently. So thank you for listening to this video, and in the next one we will start showing you how to start and explain the environment of the Microsoft project environment or tool. Thank you.